was Cardiff so special to me? God, you're going to be here for a day listening to me.
Cardiff has always got a place in your heart, I think, and it's definitely got a place in mine.
A mae fe'n iawn fi'n credu I ddim yn gwybod beth chi'n mynd i wneud nesaf. Mae'n iawn, ti'n mynd I ffindio y ffordd. Falle bydd yn cymryd bach yn hirach na pawb arall. Achos oedd rai o ffrindiau fi, wnaethon nhw'n syth mewn i'r fawdd, o'n nhw'n rili mwynhau, o'n nhw'n llwyddiannus dros ben, o'n nes I aros a cymryd yn amser ty bach mwy, a mae hwnna'n iawn. A fi'n rili uniaethu gyda'r bobl yna.
Oedd o'n flwyddyn anhygoel, oedd o'n hwyl hefyd. Mae Caerdydd, mae'n brifddinas rhyfeddol. So, llaw yn llawr gyda'r gwaith, ges I flwyddyn byth gofiadwy. Dewis rhywbeth sydd yn rhoi pwrpas I chi, sydd yn rhoi egni I chi, a sy'n caniatáu chi adael marc tu ôl.
It was transformational for me. It really launched me. It brought out my entire worth.
Be resilient. You'll have knockbacks coming into or trying to come into this profession, but it's absolutely worth it to carry on.
Store up the memories of the people that they will help along the way, and they will. They will heal people, they will enhance lives. They have to store those memories and let them build their whole career.
When they leave here, take a little of Cardiff with them, wherever they are in the world. And because each of us is unique, to always believe that we can change the world. Sometimes it seems overwhelming. You know, we live in such dangerous times, we live in uncertain times. What I wanted to say to them was, you can do it. In a small way, you can change the world.
Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Congratulations, class of 2023.
Llongyfarchiadau!
Congratulations!
Llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Croeso i'r gymuned alumni yn Gaerdydd. We crop up everywhere.